Hey out there friends, today is Tuesday. It is my day off, so what better thing to do on your day off than cleaning, laundry, and grocery shopping. Ashton went with me to Walmart and we thought we would share what we got for you guys. If you are squeamish and you don't believe in junk food or any food in a box, then I would suggest you look away. We did not need meat. We are still stocked up from Costco. So this was mainly refrigerator and then pantry items just to round off some meals. And I will talk to you about those meals as we go. So let's get started. Picked up some garlic salt. Yes, I am finding the deals at Walmart somewhat comparable to Aldi. Our Walmart, everything here was about $145. I spent a total of $170, but about 20 some dollars of that was for candy treats for my husband's class. So we dropped that off. But we are finding a lot of these things better value at Walmart. For instance, this is a little over $3 and it's 11 ounces where you pay, I think it's $1.40 something for that small bottle at Aldi. I don't have one to show you. So we picked that up. I picked up a instant box of vanilla pudding, and then this is our favorite soup for if we have soup and grilled cheese. Just the great value, the extra noodle. Those are the packets you add water to. We picked these up. These are the dog cookies when we go to Walmart. But then again, that box at Aldi is $1.69. And these are $1.18. So, and they can still eat these because they're thin. So these are on the very top shelf in our Walmart. Ashton picked up some assorted tea, some herbal tea. We got 18 of the large grade A eggs. We were totally out of eggs. We did pick up some tortilla chips, and then I picked up a bag of Doritos. That will be for the Dorito taco salads with the lettuce and the ground beef and cheese. So I didn't have any Doritos. Picked up Mattia, and then if Ashton wants them, I love them, but they kill me. Some of the Totino's pizza rolls. I also picked up some of hash browns. We do breakfast on the weekends. And I picked up the Southern style instead of the shredded this time, just for something a little bit different. These are one of our favorite potato like fries or whatever for the oven. These are the seasoned potato wedges, the deli style. These are awesome, and they were, I think, $1.68 or something a bag. They were really cheap. I did pick up some Pepsi for myself. I picked up two packages of different kinds of rolls. I got these, they're called hamburger rolls or fresh baked rolls. We actually use these for deli sandwiches. We're hungry, gonna have that for lunch. And then I pick up these white, they're sub rolls, but these, and they are large. But we're grilling a pack of those Costco hot dogs tonight, and they are huge hot dogs. So we picked these up to go with the hot dogs. I picked up a bag of the Purina One dog food for the dogs. Mattia has discovered the original, those old-fashioned potato sticks, so we got those. Feminine products in the back. We also got just the half-gallon of milk. We've been getting a half-gallon. Mattia, he's not quite going through a full gallon. They were completely out of milk at our Walmart, so I had to get just the whole milk, which is fine. Picked up a couple packs of taco seasoning for the tacos, and then the spaghetti seasoning. I think Ash and I are going to make that crock pot lasagna soup. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried that. A couple packages of brown gravy. We use this for mashed potatoes, or we'll put this in if we cook roast or something like that. Lentils, because we have really been flying through eating tons of lentils and beans lately, as well as rice. So I have some instant rice, but I picked up some of the long grain rice. I used almost what I had last night. Picked up some celery. This was 80 cents to take some celery and cream cheese for snacking. Picked up 2 cucumbers. Again, we mainly slice those and eat those for snacking. And then I picked up some vegetables. This is zucchini. So I have 3 zucchini in here. and then 1 eggplant. We are making this weekend an Italian dish that my mother-in-law makes. It's called ciabatta, and it's delicious. It's basically a bunch of fried vegetables, and then you make a sauce, a sugo, to go over them. So Ashton's been begging for that forever. I got a bunch of bananas. I still have several apples on my tray. Picked up some of the Triscuit, the avocado, cilantro, and lime. We thought we would try these. For some reason, our Walmart does not have the garlic Triscuits anymore, and I'm not for sure why. Picked up a large box of Cheez-Its. It is getting summer, and these make just a great snack for me to take to work. And then Ash and I saw the lemon these Supreme lemon bars mix, so she wanted to try that. 2 packages of cream cheese. Andrea loves the queso fresco. This is just a Mexican cheese that he loves. Some string cheese. We go through that like crazy. And then some baby Swiss for our sandwiches. We picked up this Parmesan Caesar. It's the Food Network Kitchen Inspirations. I had saw a recipe, and I hope I can find it again, that you use this and make a pasta salad. You can actually roast chicken and let it cool and have like a Caesar pasta chicken salad, but I think we're just going to do just without the chicken, so for a side dish. I picked up a can of cream style sweet corn. Boston, stop. This goes with a box of cornbread for that. I'm going to try to look up for a cornbread casserole. The queso blanco dip to go with the chips. And then some lunch ideas. School is going to be out, guys, so I picked up some mini ravioli and some SpaghettiOs and meatballs. I did get some diced green chilies to go with a chicken dish, and sour cream for those Dorito taco bowls and the chicken dish. Some mac and cheese as a side. This Great Value brand is fabulous. I think we like it better than Velveeta. We have some cilantro lime rice as a side dish. Ashton picked this up to make for her lunch, a fettuccine alfredo. And then this rice pilaf, I actually cook this and we eat it as a side, or we saute some meat and put on top. A chicken stuffing, I typically, again, that's a side, or I do a chicken casserole, and you can put Swiss cheese on it. I picked up a pancake and waffle mix. This is actually the marinade I use for my homemade chicken strips. And then a box of rigatoni, because we are an Italian family and we have to have pasta in the house. And then rotini, this will be for the pasta salad. I picked these up for Mattia to have for lunches or his after school snack, because he loves mac and cheese, but he somehow thought he needed to make that whole box of the other one I bought for his snack the last time. And we were all like, what the heck? We wanted that as our meal. So I picked him up that. Some Texas toast croutons. This is the Really Ranch. And then just a bag of flour. I wanted the bread flour, but it was over $3, and this was $1.17. So I just went with that. Picked up some of the snap pea, the Caesar little, what are they, snack pea crisps, which is not easy to say. And then a package of biscuits. We will have those on the weekend. I got one baking stick, because we use the Crisco recipe if we make cookies. And we have a couple of friends graduating, just graduating, so we may make some cookies to go with their gift, or we may make them to eat. Ashton got egg roll wraps. We're going to do egg rolls, and we did not use the 7 Food, the huge bag that has the slaw and the Brussels sprouts and the carrots from Costco. So I told Ashton to be conservative. I think we're going to saute that up and use it for our egg rolls, because it's all the same stuff. And then the dressing packet we'll just use at another time. So we're going to do egg rolls. We got some deli meat. We haven't had that in a while. So this is just the peppered turkey. And then we got some of the tavern ham. For meat, like I said, I didn't need a whole lot, but we picked up sausage. We go through a lot of breakfast foods on the weekends, those good hearty breakfasts, and then some bacon. And then I did pick up some fish sticks. We're getting tired of chicken strips or chicken nuggets, and Andrea loves fish, so I thought this would be a great alternative to cook this up in the oven and let him take that to work. And then on Fridays, he can have fish at school. And then Ashton got these, is it trolley, twisted sour bait crawlers. She's never had them, but she had another treat, and I think a bird or a bug landed on it. So, all right, guys. Oh, and then last but not least, I caved. I have loved this forever, and they have it in the cans, and I'm actually at $2.50 a pack. I was thinking on the way home, I think we're going to go back and stock up on more of these for the summer, so of just the soda products, because we can. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you in the comments and see you again soon.